ago, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? How the mind doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Going altered by the moment, dear. And there's a hesitation, I don't sweet on survival. I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be sane without it. All you could ask for now.
ZZ Crystal focuses on the research and development, design and sales of woodworking machines. Since foundation, our products have served more than 80 countries. Excellent product quality and professional after-sales service have won us widespread praise from customers. Integrity management, quality first, is our consistent principle. A great experience of work in woodworking machine allows us to offer the optimal solutions for your business projects. We pay attention to all aspects: equipment reliability, capacity, and a reasonable price, as well as traditions and national habits. Our professional team of quality control and passionate after-sales service members will continue to keep tracking of each order scientifically, so as to provide high-speed services for customers. All members of ZZ Crystal welcome global clients and are willing to establish long-term friendly cooperation relations with global customers. We will strive to produce more high-quality products and repay the trust of our customers. We are your reliable business partner here.